Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw an angel. Let's start from here. These are the long hairs. All right. Here's something like a nice dress. We draw another curved line like this. And another curved line like the mirror of the previous line like this. This is the wing, the right wing. And the left wing here. Connect it like this. Long feathers will look like this. All right. The hands will be like this. Left hand and right hand. And the angelic sign on top. All right. Let's draw some detailing of the hair. Little shade on the dress too. Let's put some shades from this side too. The shades arises from the intensity and the variations of the lights which falls over the subject. Wings are little darker too from this side. Hands are like this too, gets little more shape. So this is a drawing which shows an angel with two nice wings on both sides. Let's draw the hair in more details. To make a drawing good, there's only one options, that is you do practice, practice and practice. You need to have the patience to do all the details because the drawing looks the best when the whole drawing is complete. Usually it's very hard to understand when we are in the middle of a drawing. So we need to have patience. We need to work, need to do the details and complete the drawing. All right, let's do details on the left wings too. Here we can put long feathers like this. All right, and do little details on this dress too. Let's put little bit shades here from this side, and the shades will be all over the dress. Let's draw a single line. All right, so the drawing is complete. I hope you guys like the video and these angels too. All you need to do is keep on practicing all the drawings we show you, and you will improve day by day. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and have a good day. Thank you.